Fiber cleansing tissue. Alcohol bottle. Fiber cleaver. Light source. Fiber optic microscope. Fiber optic stripper. Fixer. Fiber holder. Drop cable stripper. Strip the cable using the drop cable stripper. Put the cable in the fiber holder. Carefully strip the fiber cladding. Clean the fiber with a tissue soaked in a bit of alcohol. Insert the fiber holder on top of the cleaver. Cleave the fiber. Carefully insert the fiber inside the connector. There might be a bit of leftover fiber on the ferrule. Fix the cable with the cable bracket. Use the fixer to push back the leftover fiber on top of the ferrule. Connect the connector to the light source. Use the light source to ensure the fiber is properly connected. Clean the connector ferrule. Use a fiber microscope to check if the connector fiber end has been cleaned properly. Use the fixer to pull up the fiber bracket. Then push the cable fixing cap upwards and release the fiber.